Back with Midcap Masala, and well, we were in conversation with the management of Royal Orchid before the break. Time now to shift focus and throw the spotlight on yet another management. This one is from the waste management space, and this is Antony Waste. The reason that we're interacting with the management today is because the company has inked a deal with a Japanese firm, JFE Engineering Corporation, and this is worth 750 million yen. So it's a big one coming in for Antony Waste. So let's interact with the management. Mr. Jose Jacob Karakal, the chairman and MD of Antony Waste Handling Cell, and Akira Usui, director of Japanese firm JFE Engineering, are joining us on the show. Mr. Akira, thanks so much for your time. Let's start by talking to you. You are investing 750 million yen in Antony Waste for their Andhra Pradesh waste to energy project. So this is happening via 2 SPVs. Can you tell us what the rationale behind this investment is and what are the opportunities that you're seeing in the market like India, especially when it comes to waste management?
Just started the waste to energy project here in India. We understood the potential huge market opportunity here. And now the government tried to set some regulation utilizing the waste to energy here in India. And also our partner, Antony, is the long relationship with the municipalities. So that is why we are here today to sign the project.
All right, good to know about it. But Jose, this is the first strategic partnership with a global player like JFE Engineering Corporation. How does this change your long-term positioning in the waste to energy segment, and what's the revenue that you are expecting from this deal?
Waste to energy is going to be the future in our nation, and there are many cities which is having population of more than 10 million, and all the cities require highly technical waste processing facility, and waste to energy has been implemented pan-India in a few places, and worldwide it is running very successfully. And JFE, the partner, has set up around 250 plants worldwide, and they have 60 years of experience. So it's very important to have a good technically advanced company who has successfully executed such projects. And we look forward to set up these two state-of-the-art technology plant in Andhra Pradesh, which is in Kurnool and Kadapa.
So on that note, Mr. Kalarakal, what is the upcoming major Capex plans that you have lined up for FY27?
So this both the plants will the total Capex will range in around 650 crores, and that's it. And we will be completing the plan in around 22 to 24 months, and that's our plan.
But Akira, just wanted to understand that currently you are acquiring 25% stake in these SPVs, but going forward, any plan to do additional investment?
Yes. This time, JFE has the two sides of the aspect, technology leader and a strategic investor. We have a JFE. So this is the first step, and this is a stepping project for us. So as I said, we have a potential market here in India. So gradually, we try to find out and invest. And of course, we do the EPC as well.
Okay, and Mr. Kalarikal, currently 61% of your revenue comes from MSW collection and transportation going forward. If you could help us, what is the revenue mix that you're expecting?
So we will definitely go more than 50% in coming years because waste processing has become very important part in pan-India. As you are aware, that many cities have not yet gone into a scientific processing, and they are in the process to do scientific processing of waste by disposing it scientifically and to reduce the environment impact in their cities. And one of the technology which many of the cities will adopt is waste to energy. And since it is proven worldwide, and we believe that this sector will grow, and definitely our share in this sector, in this waste processing part, will definitely grow big.
All right, but along with that, because the West Asia conflict, many sectors have seen an impact of this crisis in and we are definitely seeing what's happening with the raw material prices. But for a sector like you, can you tell us that any impact that it has done to your sector for now?
Since our sector is an essential service sector, which is very important for every city, waste has to be collected, waste has to be processed. So, international impact or more and all will not be much on our sector because it's an environmental impact for the citizens living around, and city has to be kept clean.
Okay, and if you could also tell us what will be your top line projection for FY27 and let's say for the next 2 to 3 years as well?
As far as the as far as growth is concerned, we are having a steady growth if you see in the last 5 years, and we believe we'll maintain that growth in coming years.
All right, and lastly, Akira, any more investments in India going forward in the waste management sector? What do you think about this?
Yes, we are now thinking. Yes, yes, I cannot explain the detail. However, we will find a good opportunity. We will do.
It's not ruling out any further investment in India. At least that sounds good. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for your time today. So, viewers, that was the management of Antony Waste on this 750 million yen deal that they have secured from the Japanese company JFE Engineering. But on that note, viewers, we completely timed out on this edition of Midcap Masala. Thanks so much for tuning in. But stay on to ET Now. Buy Now, Sell Now is up next.